Hi friends, I'm Marcia Sear, Head of Outreach, Programs, and Education here at Kenosha Public Library, and I'm here to talk to you about birds. Did you know that there is an easy way to help the birds you see every day, and that you can help scientists better understand birds in as little as 15 minutes by simply counting the birds you see every day? Your bird sightings can actually help answer questions about climate change, weather events, and the local environment. Join us and hundreds of thousands of bird lovers around the globe and participate in the Great Backyard Bird Count. This free and fun event takes place each year over the third weekend in February. So this year's bird count will occur from February 16th to the 19th, 2024. Birds help us understand the health of our environment around us, and by counting the birds you see in our corner of Wisconsin, you can help create a real-time snapshot of global bird populations. Each checklist that gets submitted during the Great Backyard Bird Count helps researchers to learn more about how birds are doing and how to protect them and the environment we share. The Great Backyard Bird Count is a global event with data checklists submitted by birdwatchers like you from more than 100 countries. Before I get started explaining how you participate, let me remind you that birdwatchers and counters should always follow the 7 Leave No Trace principles. You can learn more and take the pledge at lnt.org. So now let's talk about how you can get started and participate. You don't really need much to start this rewarding hobby of birdwatching and counting. To start, you may want to carry a few of the following items: a logbook to record your sights. Some people enjoy sketching the birds they encounter. If that's you, use a logbook that contains white, unruled, acid-free paper for the best long-lasting results. Most people prefer logbooks that are at least 5.5 by 8.5, but no larger than 8.5 by 11.5. If you want to download a checklist of birds found in your area, this may be helpful if you are a newbie or if you're going to manually tally your birds before you enter them into the eBird.org. eBird.org also offers a top 100 list of birds by region. You'll also need a watch or a clock timer. Participants in the bird count do need to observe for at least 15 minutes during the time period of February 16th to the 19th. There is no upward limit of the time that you can observe. Binoculars, a pen or other writing instruments if you would like to take notes or write a unique journal entry. You will need a phone or tablet that can access the Merlin Bird ID app, or a computer or laptop that can access eBird website. And that is needed to report your data back to the bird count. You can report data after your bird count is complete. Some optional items that people enjoy having might be a camera if you would like to record the first time sighting of a new bird. Participating is really easy. It's fun. You can do this alone or with others, and it can be done anywhere. Anywhere you can find birds, but it can be as close as your own backyard. So, step 1, you're going to want to decide where you're going to watch your birds. You will want to plan that chosen location in advance. Step 2, watch birds for at least 15 minutes or more, and that must be during the time period of February 16th to the 19th, 2024. The more you watch, the more data you will be able to report. Step 3, identify all the birds that you see or hear within your planned time and location, and then use the best tool for sharing your bird sightings. If you are a beginning bird admirer and you're new to bird identification, try using the Merlin Bird ID app to report what birds that you are seeing or hearing. If you have participated in this bird count before and you want to record numbers of birds, you can use the eBird mobile app or enter your bird list on the eBird website with your desktop or laptop computer. If you are already a registered user and contributing to either Merlin or eBird, you can just continue doing what you are already doing. All entries over this 4-day count will be towards the Great Backyard Bird Count. Remember, reporting your data is the final important step. There are 3 ways that you can enter your data that you collect from the bird count. So again, if you are new to bird watching and bird identification, and you have a smartphone, we recommend that you use the Merlin Bird ID app to enter your bird count. It is free, it is easy to use. Merlin Bird covers 7 continents and is available in 18 languages. If you already are using eBird to track your birding activity, or if you're already an experienced bird watcher, the free eBird mobile app is a fast way to enter your bird lists right from the palm of your hand. Both of these apps are available for download at the App Store in Apple and Android, but you will need to set up a user account before you get started. For those of you who use a desktop or laptop computer, there is an option to record the data for you. You'll need to visit birdcount.org/ebird-on-computer/. You will find an instructional video available to guide you through how you will enter the data on your computer. You will also find the option to print a list of common birds for your area. And this might be helpful if you are manually tallying your birds and then entering them after you get back. Again, you'll enter them at ebird.org. If you want to learn even more about birds and identification before the big backyard event, join us for a live in-person program at Kenosha Public Library Southwest Branch. The program is Backyard Bird Watching with Rick Fair from the Hoy Audubon Society. Rick will teach about the various types of birds that visit our backyards, along with different tips and tricks to keep them coming back. This will happen Thursday, February 8th, from 6 to 7 p.m. in the Southwest Community Room. And that concludes this informational video about the Great Backyard Bird Count. Thank you for joining me, but more importantly, thank you for deciding to participate and helping gather the data that will help us improve our shared world. Bye.